Join us for an unforgettable exploration of the human body. For over a decade, the Texas State University Forensics Anthropology Facility in Round Rock, Texas, has opened its doors to the Lauderstein Conway Massage School to host an unparalleled learning experience, Cadaver class for the licensed massage therapist. Led by instructor Marc Frazier, you'll have the chance to work with cadavers to explore, observe, and engage, with protective gloves on, the actual tissues of the human body.
Hi, I'm Marc Frazier, your instructor for this very informative class exploring the human body. This class is designed not only to help you experience the structure of the body, but to understand its overall function. Learning the body this way can help you change your perspective on how you deal with the simplest to the most difficult client issues that you run across in your practice. I look forward to seeing you in class.
By engaging in this hands-on experience, you'll gain a profound understanding of the structure of the human body, from muscles and bones to tendons, ligaments, and fascia. Seeing it and feeling it firsthand will leave an indelible mark on your understanding and appreciation of the human body. To register for this class, click on the link in this post or go to tlcmassageschool.com.